Hello guys, thanks for checking this video. So I want to give some quick ideas on how to earn money as a photographer. Indeed, it may be just a passion project, so it may take a while before you really get the lifestyle that you want as a photographer, and especially for beginners. But actually, from the testimonials of photographyjobs.net, they can earn up to $700 USD per month. Yes, you may think it's not a lot, but at least you can pay your rent about it, and you can buy new camera or lens or any gadget to help your photography, and this is your passion, and it's not like working at all. So at least it can help. So in photographyjobs.net, when this happens, is like you register and upload your photos, and then these photos, they can be ready for downloads from clients, customers, and businesses who wants to pay for your photos and use it for their businesses. Okay, so in photographyjobs.net, you can have advices and tutorials and like how to make the most of it, and what types of photos you need to shoot in order to acquire lots of downloads. And then you can check the site, and actually you can see here below the link on the description box. So obviously, more or less, the more uploads you give, the more downloads you receive. So it's like you get what you give, but of course, quality photos. So that site will help you more. So more or less, you get, for me, I got like $1 for each download, but there are times that you can earn as much up to 15 USD, and can range from a good average of 25. So, but it's up to your diligence, guys. So the more down uploads, the more downloads. So during the initial week, I admit that I never really got that tons of downloads. But yeah, after a while, just being patient, I noticed that it began to go up and up. My income stream is steadily increasing. Although I have to admit, it's not right away, right off the bat. It's not like a rich, quick scheme. It is not free service, but then again, as long as you persistently provide good quality, you're uploading good stuff, everybody good service has a price. So in this site, you can enjoy a 7-day trial for only $1, and then after that you can pay only $27 a month. So it's not like very heavy, breaking the bank. But like I said, any good service has a price, and if you upload good quality, then you can earn good, steady income. Absolutely, is think of it as a good channel or a bridge between you and your clients, or it's like an agency. So it's like a mediator. It will give you several tutorials and useful ideas what photos are popular for downloading, just like any good service. You can, so after these tutorials and ideas to learn, honestly, I can't find any similar channel or service working for free. Of course, you get what you pay for. So I tried it myself right away and registered, and I never looked back since. So I think there's nothing to lose. You should try it for yourself. You just have to be patient, and you can really earn cash, like me or anyone of your friends are passionate about photography and also willing to learn. So I'm sure everybody can do it as well. So why not? You can start your own money-making photography business. Uh, Please subscribe to my channel, Photos Make Money, and click the link below for the site, and also subscribe to my ebook. I will also give the link, and anyone can do it. Thank you. See you on the next shot.